If you're like me, you love your pool and you hate vacuuming. This is a Bestway Aquatronix G200 robotic pool vacuum. So let's take it down to the pool and drop it in so you can see it work firsthand. All you need to do is turn it on and drop it in the water. And next is my favorite part. You walk away. You walk away and you let this do its thing. There's no hose. This does not hook up to your filter. It is self-contained and it's going to suck all the dirt, the sand, the leaves, the bugs. It's going to suck it all up into the inside where it's got a container, but it won't let that material escape because there's a real fine screen holding it in. So you don't need a hose to hook it up to your filter. It's so easy to keep my pool sparkling clean. Now, another thing that's interesting, I've left this in the pool for a couple of days, maybe lazy a little bit, maybe I forgot it was in there. But when it's finished, all it's going to do is run out of battery. This will last an hour and a half on a single charge. Hour and a half is quite a bit. When it runs out of the battery, it just stops. It's been my experience again, it has never stopped in the middle of the pool. It's always at the edge. So I have a funny feeling that when the battery gets really low, it kind of knows it's not going to make it across one more time. So it stops at the edge of the pool. I just reach in underwater and pull it out with my hand. It comes with a strong string with a bobber on the end of it. You can simply grab it and pull out the vacuum. If it stops in the middle of the pool and you can't reach it, it comes with a plastic hook that snaps on the end of any pool skimmer pole to make it easy to reach the vacuum. I had the vacuum in the pool for about 5 minutes just to show this video. You can see the main collection area has caught a bunch of bugs and it filtered the sand and kept it inside the vacuum. So it's pulling the sand up from the bottom of the pool. This is the filter that goes over that collection, and you can see that it filtered a lot of contaminants from exiting the vacuum and going back into the pool. So this sits over on top like this, and it keeps everything inside. Now the simple thing is just hose that off with a garden hose, and it's clean as can be, and you can start over again. Obviously, I could have left this in for an hour and a half, and it would have done the whole bottom, and this would have much more dirt and contamination collected in it. All you need to do at this point is take the individual screen and the collection and spray it out with a garden hose, as easy as this. And that's nice and clean now. Same thing with this one. It doesn't take long at all, does it? All right, finally, to put it back together, super easy. They give you these two pegs right here, and there's these two holes right here, so you can't make a mistake. You just drop them on there just like that. Then you pick up the main unit, and you grab these levers and open them up like that. Drop it right over the top. And snap it down in. That's it. That easy, and you're done vacuuming. Once you pull it back out of your pool, you want to recharge it for the next time. Here's how simple that is. So all you do is slide it into here, and it starts blinking red. When it turns green, it's done. In my experience, it takes between 3 and 4 hours to charge this when it's completely dead. Let me show you some of the features that I really like about this particular unit. All the wheels are freewheeling. So how does it move? Well, it moves with this top piece. This piece blows water forcefully out. And whatever direction this is aiming in is the direction it's going to blow the water out. When it's locked in, it's going to blow this way and propel it forward. When this flips, it's going to lock in that way and blow it that way. So now it'll go backwards. It says it's compatible with all flat bottom above ground pools. The pool size, it can go up to a 24-foot diameter for a round pool. A rectangular pool, it can go up to 31 feet. And an oval pool, it can go to 26 feet. That's pretty decent. I think this will be good for anybody that's got an above ground pool. There's no hoses. It runs completely on battery, and you just drop it in the pool and go back up to your patio and sit down, and you can watch it or go do something else. If you come back a couple hours later, it's going to be done, and you didn't have to vacuum the pool. It did it all by itself. I've been using it since probably middle of May. It does a great job. The pool water is crystal clear. I encourage you to try one of these. And with that, this is the Everyday Man saying thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.